Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on the BMW R1200GS. And what are we gonna do today? Well, I noticed that this bike idles rough. It's really shaking. So I am sure that it needs to be synchronized. Guys, that hasn't been done for a long period of time. I am absolutely sure. So, I would say, come on over and let's have fun. Wait for the Adari to finish. Then it's in neutral. The first thing we're gonna do is get those rubber caps off. Look at them for cracks. Okay, this one is fine. Hop. Then we go over to this side. Same procedure. Let's hop. Okay. See? Let's see if there are any cracks. No. This one is also in good condition. Guys, I adjusted the free play of this was fully tight and it needs to have, see, and it needs to have just a bit of free play. By an older bike like this, you can lift this one. This needs to have a bit of play, but see, and on the cable I can easily feel the play, and this play is too much. So I'm gonna screw it a tiny bit in, not much. First unlock the locking screw. That's the bottom side. Camera is now terribly in the way. Hopefully, I can't see it. Yes. There he goes. Then we screw this one a bit further out. I think I can do it by hand. Yes, easy. I think this is better, guys. See. This is still a lot of play. Screw it a bit more out. Like this. Then, guys, this should do the trick. I'm gonna lock it. Now, maybe I need to adjust it later on. So, guys, as you can see, this one is all the way in. Now let's feel this one. The free play is now the same on both sides, so that's good. Now guys, I take the Digi sink and I'm gonna take hose 1 and 2. These, when not attached, don't block them off. Then the problem with this guy is to have a good view on the display. I'm gonna use hose 3 and 4. which is the bottom ones, that one and that one. And then these are out of the way. Don't block them off. So this is hose. I numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4. This is hose 3. Put it on here. Up, 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 up. All the way in. Okay. 3. And then the other hose, this hose, goes to the right, the throttle body. Oh. Check. Now I'm going to open my shaft because at the moment I have to start up the engine. Okay, now, well, let's have fun. Without locking the throttle bodies, I'm going to start up now to see where it is. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the motor scan app. I got it here. Okay. First, this one. Oh. This one. Oh. Yes. The Bluetooth device. Hop. Plug it in. A red LED is shining already. That's good. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Hop. Then, of course, we take the phone. We're gonna open the motor scan app. Look over there. The first thing I always do is do an adapter check, so I know that my Bluetooth of my phone is connected with the ODB interface. Interface present, Unicar scan. And then scroll all the way down, guys. 3 times yes in green. Always good. Okay, then this is an R series, okay, and it's a K25. Then we go to the engine electronics, MOT. Please wait, okay. First we're gonna see the trouble codes. Read the trouble codes. No trouble codes found, that's alright. Then we go to service functions. And there you see 2 things. Idle actuator calibration. Let's do that. Perform the idle actuator. The idler performed in both idler actuators in the boxer model is driven by the engine electronics towards the lower seat. The air duct is closed. The hose is off and we put the caps back on. 1. That side 2. Hop. This out of the way for now. And this one onto there. Okay, then I say perform the operation. Okay, please wait. Yes. idle actuator calibration was successful. Check. Now, let's give it another try now with the vacuum meter. Now we're gonna attach again the diggy sink to see if something changed for the better. You never know. Then, oh, put the bike on ignition. Okay, wait for the Atari to finish. We're gonna synchronize them. Guys, to synchronize the bike, we need to lock the throttle body actuator. So we're gonna use the motor scan app again. Of course. Open the motor scan app. It's an R series. Then we go to the K25. Then we go to MOT. Engine electronics. There we go to service functions, and there we can idle actuator deactivation. So we're gonna deactivate it. To perform the synchronization of the throttle body cables, the idle adjusters are deactivated by the diagnostic device and kept at the same level. The engine must be running during the synchronization and should be above 80 degrees. Next. Okay. It starts automatically. Okay. I have to start up the engine. Go to the other side. this one too. a look. This is perfect. Stop the operation. Okay. Switch off. About 10 seconds. Switch on again. Now we're gonna switch the bike on again. Okay, close. Then we're gonna start it up again. But it's an old bike. Now guys, this was my video, how to synchronize the throttle bodies on an R1200GS. This was really necessary, it was way out of whack. And now it runs much more smoother. But you have to consider, it has run 100,000 kilometers with really bad maintenance. That's but guys, of course I use the Motorscan app. If you want to do the same thing as I just did, it's easy. You need the Motorscan app. Look in the description below. There is all the hardware and the software you need. Then what I also used was the Jerky sync, this one. That works great. Yeah, I like it. It's not a cheap device, but it's very accurate and well, it works good. You can also use these kinds of vacuum meters. I made them myself, used them for years and years and years, still working great. So I think if you regularly want to check your synchronization of your bike, consider buy a Jerky sync. And if you do it just every now and then, buy a cheapo set like this. I made this myself, but you can buy them. I'm gonna make a link in the description below. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And of course, share my channel with all your friends on your social media. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X, so they can benefit from my maintenance videos too. It's a win-win situation. And I hope to see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.